give me the loot. Just got me some new goop. This is my first high-end NVIDIA gaming GPU. Cheers to you all out there. Happy New Year. I hope you are having a good day. Hoping to have a good weekend, whatever day it is for you. For my first gaming PC, I went with an AMD 6900 XT. Everything that is RTX is new to me. Now, do you think I made a good choice switching from the 6900 XT to the 5070 Ti? We're gonna find out. Swapping out the GPUs is pretty simple. This isn't gonna be a tutorial. So now why am I upgrading to a 5070 Ti now? Currently, as you guys know, the pricing for the GPUs and RAM is probably going to be going up. Companies are mass consuming a lot of the RAM and a lot of the GPUs. So I figured this might be the perfect time. I was just talking about this to my friends. I've had this 6900 XT for about 4 or 5 years, so it's done me good. It's never had any problems or anything like that. I think I bought it in 2021, in start of 2021, January, and that was the height of the GPU shortage when everybody was buying graphics cards and such during the pandemic. And I landed on the 5070 Ti because it gave me an all-around upgrade to my 6900 XT. Now I bought this from Newegg around $829, and for the price it's what I could afford. Now granted, I will say that I don't have enough money to do like a 5090, but this is definitely a significant upgrade to my system, I believe. So here are the two cards side by side. Now I know this is a little bit of a wide angle, but just to show you how big in comparison they are, I honestly think that the 6900 XT is definitely bigger. Lengthwise, the other one is longer though, the MSI. Obviously, if you go through specs, but just visually, the 6900 XT Master is definitely more girthy. So as you can tell, I did end up downloading all the drivers, and I also did actually uninstall, I guess you would say, of the AMD graphics, and I also installed NVIDIA control panel and the NVIDIA app and installed all the new drivers for my 5070 Ti. I played some Arc Raiders and I am actually pushing almost a little bit above 190 frames on certain levels or certain maps, and some of the other maps that I did pull up, they're probably pushing around 160 with the settings that I pushed. I also did do a little bit of a undervolt on it. I followed the tutorial. I'll link the tutorial up here. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the 5070 Ti. Let me know if you're upgrading your setup to another graphics card this year, or if you're deciding to get into the 50 series, or you're waiting for the 60 series, or I heard also that the 50 series supers are being delayed, and so that's another reason why I jumped the gun, or I pulled the trigger on this graphics card now, because there's gonna be a shortage of them pretty soon, and I know that eventually this is gonna come to my benefit. Hopefully they don't start climbing in prices for everybody else that's trying to get a graphics card this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, if you made it to the end, please like and subscribe. Please share it with your friends. Share it if you're like, man, this guy doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. And if you appreciate it, please like, and that really goes a long way. And if you come across my videos, any of my other videos, and you like, or if you come across my lives, I do go live on Twitch, which is Chris256. It's a CC Chris, 2 C's in the front of my name. And then I also stream on YouTube as well. If you guys want to come check it out, if you want to come check out some of my streams. And I appreciate you watching to the end, and I'll check you guys in the next vlog. Peace.